Good morning, children. Now, example problem. This is called example problem 6.13. Find the volume of the parallelepiped whose coordinate edges are given by the vector, first vector, second vector, third vector. Let us assume that the first vector is 2y cap minus 3j cap plus 4k cap. Next is what? I cap plus 2j cap minus k cap. Next is 3i cap minus j cap plus 2k. Let us assume the given three vectors will be A, B, C. Now, volume of the parallelepiped, what is the formula? Box pattern A, B, C. That is the formula. Now, substitute all value. Box pattern means first what is there? A is there. Now, coefficient I, j, k in A vector is what? 2, minus 3, 4. Next is what? 1, 2, minus 1. Next one is what? 3, minus 1. The next one is what? 2 into multiply 4 minus plus but formula having minus. Here plus 3 into here multiply 1 to 2. Formula having minus. Multiply minus 3 becomes plus 3. Plus 4 into minus 1 minus 6. Now 2 into 3 plus 3 into 5 plus 4 into minus 7. 6 plus 15 minus 28. Adding both 21. 21 minus 28 minus 7. Therefore, volume of the parallelepiped is equal to volume of the parallelepiped is equal to the volume cannot negative, no, that's why you take modulus. That is what? 7 cubic is the answer. Suppose negative will come in, to avoid negative sign, take modulus, we get absolute value, 7 will come, that's the cubic is. Suppose only positive value means that is the answer. If negative value coming means taking modulus. Otherwise, need not taking modulus, only positive is the answer. Your final answer should be positive. Very simple concept. You must know the formula. Box pattern A, B, C is the formula for volume of the parallelepiped. Next, the box pattern A, B, C means determined of the A, the coefficient I, J, K in A vector. Again, the coefficient I, J, K in B vector. In this way, you will find the expand the determinant, we get the answer minus 7. To avoid the minus 7, taking modulus. Now, one more 3 mark question, 2 mark question, important question. Coplanar, already told you, 3 vectors are coplanar mean if the box part becomes 0. Am I right? That is the concept. The same thing, let us assume that the first vector be A vector. Next is what? 2i cap minus j cap plus 2k cap. The 3i cap plus j cap minus k cap. Now substitute all the value 1, 2, minus 3, 2, minus 1, 2, 3, 1, minus 1. In this way, first find a box product A, B becomes. This becomes 0 mean automatically 3 vectors A, B, C are coplanar. Now expand one, again same thing. 1 into minus plus 1 also 1. Formula having minus 2. Minus 2 into minus 2 minus 6. Minus 3 into 2 plus 3. Now 1 into minus 1. Minus 2 into minus 8. Get 5. Minus 1 plus 16 minus 15. Adding 16 minus 6 0. Therefore, box pattern A vector, B vector 0. Hence, automatically, hence A vector, B vector, C vector are coplanar. Important concept of 2 mark question. You must know the property. Box pattern equal to 0 mean the 3 vectors are coplanar. This is the idea. That's all. Next problem 6.15. First vector, second vector, third vector, coplanar. Find the value. The first vector will be A, next one B, the third one C. Since the A vector, B vector, C vector coplanar, what is the formula? Box part equal to 0. Already told you, if it is box part equal to 0 means they are coplanar. If they are coplanar means box part is 0. Now substitute the value here. A vector is what? The coefficient I, J, K in A vector is 2, minus 1, 3. Here, 3, 2, 1. Here, 1, M, 4 equal to 0. Now expand 2 into 8 minus m. Next plus 1 into 12 minus 1. 3 into 3m minus 2 equal to 0. Am I right? Multiply 16 minus 2m. Separate both 11. 1 11 are 11. 9m minus 6. Now what is both? Equal to 0. 9m minus 2m is what? 7. Number is what? 16 plus 11. 27. Am I right? 27. 27 minus 6 is what? 21. Plus 21. Equal to 0. 7m is minus 21. M equal to minus 21 is 7. That is minus 3 is answer. That's all. Number 2 mark question. This set of problems are 2 mark. Very simple concept. Box part equal to 0. You must find the way. That's all. Another question. Example 6.1 will say, show that the 4 points, first point, second point, third point, fourth point, are lie on a same plane. The side lie on the same plane, or otherwise, the covalent, the same concept. 4 points lie on the same second mean, suppose, then A, then B, C, D is the suppose. What plane is that? All the four points lie on the same plane mean, let us assume the origin. The OA, OB, OC, ODE are all lies on the same plane means automatically all the 3 vectors are lies on the same plane means what? Coplanar. You A, B, B, C, C, D. You will find A with B and A with C. One point is fixed actually. One point, any of the point is fixed. I am fixing one A point. A, B, you will find A vector, AC vector, A vector. Then put the box product of AB, AC, AD. That means 0 mean they are coplanar. That means what? All the points lies on the same. That is the meaning. Anyway, 3 vectors means that is small A vector, small B vector, small C vector. Automatically put the box product, we get 0 means that is the answer. But here 4 vectors are given now. That's why you will assume OA, OB, OC, ODE. Now we will find AB vector, AC vector, AD vector, not AB, BC, CD. That is wrong. AB, BC, CD, that is wrong. You will pick the point A mean from A to B, A to C, A to in this way you will find afterwards taking first right. First to find AB vector. AB vector means OB minus OA is a formula. Already you know the formula. OB is what? 69 minus 19K, 19J minus 4K. Next is what? OA vector is what? 6IA minus 7J vector. No K vector. Subtract no, change sign. What the answer? 10I cap minus 12J cap minus 4K. This is called OAB vector. Okay? This is called AB vector. Similarly, the DC vector equal to OC minus OB. OC is what? 3J vector, 3J cap, 6K cap. If no I, that's a space. OB is what? 60I cap minus 19J cap minus 4 cap. Now change sign. What is the answer? Minus 16I cap. Next plus 22J cap. Then minus 2 cap. Again AC vector. AB vector over. Sorry. Put this example. What I told you? Start with A mean. You will find A with C. That's important. OC minus OB. You will find AB, AC, AD. Suppose start with B mean BA, BC, BD. That was correct. But AB, BC, CD. That is wrong. Mind it. Start with A mean A to B vector, AC vector, AD vector. Start with the B vector. B means BA vector, BC vector, PD vector. In this way you will find. It's very important. Now OC is what? 3. J vector, K vector. The A vector is what? 6I minus 7J. That's all. Change the sign. Change the sign. We get the answer minus 6I cap plus 10J cap minus 6K. Am I right? Then AD vector. AD is what? OD minus OE. OD is what? OD. 2I cap minus 5IJ 10 kk. The A vector is what? A vector 6 I vector I will give minus 7 jk. Now change sign. Minus 4 I cap, then plus plus 2 j cap, 10 cap, 10 k cap. In this way, you will find AB vector, AC vector, A vector. Now you find the box product. Definitely 0 will come. Therefore 3 vectors coplanar mean ABC are coplanar. Now find box product of AB, AC, AB. You don't know. The first one is what? 10 minus 12 minus 2. Next one minus 6, 10 minus 6. Next 6, sorry, minus 4, 2, 10. Am I right? Now expand this one, 0 will come. 10 into multiply 100 minus multiply minus 12 is plus 4 will come. Now plus 12 into minus 16 minus 40. Sorry, 24. Am I right? Minus 10 into 10 minus 60. 4, this is 24. Next minus 4 into minus 1 plus 40. Now 100 10 into 112. 12 into minus 84. Minus 4 into 28. Now multiply 1120 minus 84 into 12. Multiply 8, 16, 84, 80, 1008. Multiply 2, 32. Therefore 1120 adding both 0, 1, 2, 1, 0. Definitely 0 will come. Hence, therefore, AB vector, AC vector, and AB vector are coplanar. Hence, A, B, C, D are lying on the same plane. 4 points, Let us assume that 4 points, that's why the 4 points are lying on the same plane. That's all. Lying on a plane. That's all. Important 5%, 3%. This is a concept, very important concept. You must find the value of AD, AC, AB, AC, AD. In this way you find. That's very important. Not AB, BC, CD. That means wrong. Next question 6.17. If the vectors A vector, B vector, C vector are coplanar, then prove that A plus B, B plus C, C plus A are also coplanar. What is given? Given A vector, B vector, C vector are coplanar. That means what is the formula? Box product of A, B, C equal to 0. Now you want to prove this also coplanar. So prove A vector plus B vector, B vector plus C vector, am I right? Are also coplanar. That's why you want to prove box product of A plus B, B plus C, C plus C also 0. Now start with A plus B, box product of A plus B, C plus C. Am I right? Which implies equal to the first is what? Already told you the B plus C, the C plus A is fixed here. Again, B plus C, C plus A is fixed here. Here A plus B, here A alone, here B. This is a property. Next sir, the first one, first one, what is that? A is the fixed here, C plus A fixed here. Again, A is fixed here, C plus A fixed here. Important concept. This B plus C can run as here B, here C. Am I right? Am I right? That's important. Plus The next one also here, no? This one. B first one, the C plus A last one fixed here. B and the C plus A fixed here. What is in between is B plus C is there. B alone here, here C alone. This is called vector. Sorry. Additional divided by 2. Once again, this can be written as again A vector, B vector is fixed here. Here also A vector, B vector is fixed here. The C plus A, no? Here C, here A. The first one is split into 2. First one. Next is this one split into 2. Here this also split into 2. Again split into 2 in this way. Now this one, next one. Here A is what? A and C is fixed here. Here also A and C fixed here. Last one is what? C plus A. Here C, here A. This one is what? B, B. Here also B, B is there. Last one C plus A, no? Here C, here A. Last B, C. Here also B, C. Last one is what? C plus A. Here C, here A. Already told you, in the box product, elements should be repeatedly, that is 0. Here only first one is A, B, C, no change. Here A repeated, no 0. C, C repeated 0. A repeated 0. B, B repeated 0. B, B repeated 0. Here C, C repeated 0. Last one is the B, C, A, no? Here B, C, A is there. Am I right? First it will change. BCA can be done as you will interchange, no? Automatic negative extra will come. Am I right? In the box product, you will interchange. Make the answer. First is the C is fixed here, or otherwise, this will change. What we get? Or otherwise, this will change. B is fixed here. C and A interchange. Now here A will come, here C will come now. Now automatically minus will come. Once again, A, B, C is there. Plus, once again, the last is no change C. But B is no. You want to exchange, interchange. Here A, here B will come. Automatically, one more time minus change, sign change. Already minus that plus will come. Now, 2 times A, B, C. 2 times already given A is a problem, no? That is 0. That is 0. Hence, A plus B vector, B plus C vector, and the C plus A vector are coplanar. First one is A, B, C only coplanar. Now I am proving A plus B, B plus C, C plus A are also coplanar. This is the idea, only addition idea. Determinant of 2 addition. That's all. Next question. Next question. If A, B, C are 3 vectors, prove that is equal to ABC. Now start with A plus C, B plus C, A plus B plus C. Which implies, here one property is there. The box property A, the A involving, B involving, C involving. A, B, C. Now write the coefficient of A, B, C. The A is 1. No B here. Then A, B, no? A, B, 0. A, B, C, 1. Now expand this one. 1 and cross product 1 minus 0. Minus 0 in that type. Plus 1 and 1 minus 1. The box product A, B, C. Now 1 ones are 1. Am I right? Get 0. Minus 0 plus 0. That's all. 1 into something. This time. That's all. 2 more question. Here, what is the concept? Here A equal B equal C equal take outside. Then write the coefficient A, B, C. We get the answer. That's all. Now, next exercise concept, vector triple product. For a given set of 3 vectors A, B, C are the vectors, A cross B cross is called vector triple product. So you see A dot B cross C. But here A cross B cross C. Vector means cross triple no. A B C that's why vector triple product. Vector triple product is not associative because A cross B cross C equal to A cross B cross C. These are not equal, always not equal. Vector triple product expansion is for anything between A B C, A cross B cross. What is the formula? Very simple concept. First with the last dot product, the remaining one B vector minus first and second dot C vector. Or otherwise, A cross B cross, in this way will come. That means what? Inside bracket A vector, first with the last, A dot C in between. Next is what? Inside the bracket B 7. First is over, A with C over, then B with C, remaining one A. Within the bracket 2 ones are involving outside bracket 1, A vector, inside bracket first vector. Again, remaining quantity. Outside bracket 1, the next one, first A dot C, A dot B, remaining quantity. A dot C means remaining quantity C, B dot C means what? Remaining quantity. In this way, you will find the dot triple product expansion. Now, Jacobi's identity. That means what? A cross B cross C plus B cross C cross A, C cross A cross B equal to 0 vector. So, by using this idea formula, after simplification, we get the answer 0 answer. That is the Jacobi's identity. Lagrange's identity means A cross B dot C cross C means very simple concept. The first with the first vector dot the first one. First vector dot second one. Or next cell. Next with first, next with next. In this way, then next one we get the answer. Vector 4 product. That is what? A cross B cross C. What is the formula? Box vector 1, 2 common. A B. What is the last one? D remaining quantity. Next cell. Third one remaining quantity. Here also the same thing. First here, first I mentioned this 2, then last one. Now here, A with the C, then D remaining quantity. This 2. First I consider this 2, no? Now consider this 2. Last 2, first one, remaining quantity. Again last 2, remaining quantity, opposite quantity. The remaining, that's all. In this way, these are all formula. Sometimes, usually problems are asking, verify this one. This is equal to this. Automatically LH is equal to LH. Similarly, here also verify this one. This is equal to this or this is equal to this. In this way asking. But definitely these are all formula. But definitely both will be equal answer will come. This idea only next exercise, third exercise. Now I will do some example problem. Now example 6.19, prove that A class B, B class C, C class C. This is box vector A class B, B class C, C class C equal to A vector, B vector, C vector whole square. Now start with the LHS. Now you know formula. Model box vector A, B, C. What's the formula? A dot B cross. This is the formula. That's the formula. Similarly here also, the first vector dot. This is actually what? Second and third should be cross product. Am I correct? Now, it is of the form vector 4 products. Already you know the formula. What is the formula? Listen here. A cross B, same thing. What is the formula for box vector? Vector 4 product. A cross B, cross C, cross D mean. What is the formula you know? The first two. A, B, box vector A, B, last one. It is C vector. Minus A, B, third one, then last one. This is the formula. Very simple concept. Vector 4 product mean first two vector. Last, then third. First two. Third and last. In this way, you will follow the formula. Now the same thing here, box product of B, C, the last one. Okay? Into C vector. Minus, again, B, C, third one, then last one. In this way, put the formula. In rapport, mention the formula clearly. This is called vector 4 product formula. By using vector 4 product formula, mention the formula clearly. Now, A cross B dot the BCA came as ABC. What is the reason? These are all order. B, C, A. These are all order. That's why ABC order. This C comes this side. Am I right? This is 0. What is the reason? In box product, element should be equal to 0. Now once again, A cross B dot C. That's what is the formula? A, B, C is the formula. Am I right? 1 dot, 1 cross. Here also, A cross B dot C. These are all what? Box product A comma B comma C. Already A, B, C is there. Now ABC is the ABC whole square. This is the answer. Actually by using this formula, vector 4-point formula. This formula mentioned clearly in the report. That's all. Very simple concept. Here by using box product is first one dot, second and third cross. It is of the form vector 4 product by using the formula. This is 0 because inside the box product elements repeatedly the whole will be 0. The whole thing will be 0. This is ordinary C vector. This is ordinary multiplication. No dot, no cross. That's why you write in terms of in front of the ABC C vector. This is BCA means ABC. This is order. ABC, BCA, CA. This is order. That's why you write anyway. No problem. Suppose any two elements of exchange means negative will come. But here not like this one. Here 1 cross 1 dot means box product. Here also box product. This is the ordinary multiplication. That's why whole square. That is the answer. This is a question 2 mark 3 mark. By using box product idea and the vector 4 product idea, we get the answer. That's all. Next question, A, B, C, 3 vectors are given. Find A cross B cross C. Here, A cross B cross C. First one, A cross B cross C. Okay? First find A cross B. Already you know, cross product 2 vectors mean first put I, J, K. I vector, I cap, J cap, K cap. Then first one A vector, no? What is the quantity of A? The co I, J, K vector is what? Minus 2, 3, minus 2. B is what? 3, minus 1, 3. In this way, first find A cross B. Then once again find with cross C. 2 times. I cap into 9 minus 2. J cap into minus 6 plus 6. K cap into 2 minus 9. What is the answer? 7 I cap is 0. 0 no? Mean right? Minus 7 K vector. 7 K. That's all. Now find A cross B cross C. Again I cap, J cap, K cap. What is the first quantity? A cross B. A cross B already find out. 7, 0, minus 7. C already given. 2, minus 5, 1. 2 minus 5 something. Minus 1. Am I right? Now next one, take the answer. Equal to I cap into 0 minus 35. Am I right? Next side. Minus J cap into 7 ones are 7 plus 14. Plus K cap into minus 35 minus 0. Your answer will be minus 35 I cap, minus 21 J cap, minus 35 K cap. That is the answer. Am I correct? Minus 35, minus 21, minus 35. In this way, you will find second part also. In second part, A cross B cross, you know. First find B cross. The same thing. I cap, J cap, K cap. Now B cross C means consider B. The coefficient I, J, K in B. 3 minus 1, 3. Then C vector again 2 minus 5, 1. Next one. I cap into minus 1 plus 15. J cap into 3 minus 6. K cap into minus 15 plus 2. Now 14 I cap minus 3, already minus no, plus 3J cap minus 13K. Now only find A cross B cross C. Once again, same concept. I cap, J cap, K cap. The A vector, given no, minus 2, 3 minus 2. Here 14, 3 minus 13. Now I cap into minus 39 plus 6. Minus j cap into 26 plus 28. Plus k cap into minus 6 minus 42. Now adding minus 33 I cap, adding both 54. Minus 54 j cap minus 58 k cap. In this way, you will find 4 times cross product. First inside the bracket, then whole thing. Again inside the bracket, then whole thing. Now, comparing both answer, not equal. Already told you, no? What I told you? Here question is, find 1 and 2 and state whether they are equal is asking. Find 1 and 2, find 1 and 2, state whether they are equal, they are asking. Am I right? Therefore, this is the first answer, no? The second answer. Therefore, from 1 and 2, A cross B cross C vector is always not equal to A cross B cross C. Already told you, the vector triple products are not associative. This is called associative property. These are always not equal. Suppose equal also will come in, you have got something wrong. That's all.